Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge not docking or the positioning is failed. At first we need to clean the dock signal transmitter, and what it is this glossy black thing over here. I think that I can show you this with my camera, but I need to be extremely cautious. Let me check if we can do this. Okay, it will look bad, but I hope that it will help you. So as I can see, this is this black thing over here, which is at the back of your complete behind of your dock, behind the vacuum cleaner. So once you do that, you need to now at first clean it wipe it gently with some microfiber cloth. After doing so, everything should be working actually fine. If it doesn't work fine, you need to now move to the step 2, which is wiping the robot's front sensors. As for the robot's front sensors, not back, not of course cliff sensors, but when it comes to, I need to fix this, okay. When it comes to the sensors, which are over here, if they are dirty, they won't scan the area that good. And if the sensor is dirty, either your vacuum will be blocked, or it will detect the driveway starts here, and it needs to turn, and it will just damage your vacuum. So wipe it with soft cloth, maybe with some dry alcohol, but I either use the dry. Here at the front, and so as here on this side. And now the next one is, where was that? Here at the back. Now everything should be working fine. We'll test it out in a moment, but we do have the third tip. You need to ensure the dock is on a hard floor with proper clearance. It needs to have at least 20 inches, which is 0.5 meters, I think, on the floor, hard floor. But yes, it can be on some carpet or carpet floor, but it's not recommended. And that should be it. Let me test it if it works. It needs to be turned on at first. Let me do a quick pause. Okay, now I will click return to dock.
Returning to dock.
Now as I can see, it works. It detected that the driveway is over here, the tree is over here, and now it will be backing up for the dock, and it will just back up to the front and go back again, and everything should be working fine. Now as I can see, it works without any problems. Mostly all these problems are just because of these sensors, because they are dirty, or maybe over the floor. These are all the tips. But if you do have still the sensor not working or not docking, you need to contact the device support. That's all of these software, firmware, and hardware issues. Goodbye!